Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Afterpay on Amazon. Easy hack step by step clearly. To use Afterpay on Amazon, start by ensuring you have an Afterpay account. If you don't have one, you can sign up on the Afterpay website or app. Once your account is set up, browse Amazon for the items you want to purchase. Add your desired items to the shopping cart. When you're ready to check out, proceed to the cart page. On the cart page, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Enter your shipping information and select your preferred delivery option. Next, you'll reach the payment section. Here is the key step: Afterpay is not directly available on Amazon. Instead, you can purchase an Amazon gift card through a retailer that accepts Afterpay. Visit a third-party retailer's website that offers Amazon gift cards and accepts Afterpay. Once there, select the amount for the gift card that you want to purchase. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select Afterpay as your payment option during checkout. Complete the payment using Afterpay. After receiving your gift card via email, return to your Amazon account. Go to your account and select Gift Cards. Click on Redeem a gift card. Enter the unique code. Now, return to your cart on Amazon and complete your purchase. Choose your saved payment method to use your gift card balance. Complete the order as usual, and your items will be on their way. This method allows you to effectively use Afterpay while shopping on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.